Imagine stepping into a library, its corridors lined with ancient texts, each page whispering secrets from times long past. The air is thick with the scent of old paper and ink, a testament to the knowledge contained within. Yet the deepest secrets aren't found in those dusty tomes. They're hidden within you, beneath layers of mundane awareness, waiting to be uncovered. One such secret lies at the very center of your being, in that often overlooked spot we call the navel. It's easy to dismiss the belly button as a simple remnant from birth, a scar marking where you were once connected to your mother. But in truth, it is so much more. The navel is like a mystical doorway, an energy antenna that ancient cultures revered as the first center of power in the body. It's the starting point of life and the source where vital energy both enters and flows. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the significance of this small circle on your belly. But what if recognizing its importance was the key to regaining your energy and vitality? Many people feel fatigued, unfocused, or drained without clear reasons. It's possible that the unnoticed energy leak through the navel is to blame. Can you imagine how empowering it would be to seal that energetic gateway and retain your life force? For centuries, the navel has been seen not just as a physical connection to our mothers, but as a spiritual one to the universe itself. In India, it's aligned with the third chakra, Manipura, which taps into your inner fire and personal strength. Similarly, Taoist philosophy associates the navel with the lower dantian, the body's energy center. They believe this spot to be like a cauldron where vital energy is perfected and refined. It's fascinating how such diverse traditions all point to the navel as a pivotal energy center. Now let's pause for a moment. Quick favor. If this is making sense so far, hit that like button and drop 777 in the comments. Let's keep going. In Mesoamerican cultures, the navel was thought to mirror the cosmos, a central point where the visible and invisible worlds intersect. Even in Judeo-Christian texts, it's depicted as a sacred vessel overflowing with spiritual nourishment. Over time, however, these rich understandings were overshadowed by more materialistic perspectives, reducing our view of the navel to mere anatomy. Energy loss through the navel can manifest in various ways. Have you ever felt inexplicably drained after being in a crowded place? That's the navel sensitivity at play, acting like an unguarded door to your inner world. Ancient cultures, aware of this, practiced covering the navel to shield their life force during rituals, meditation, or sleep, not out of superstition, but informed wisdom. Imagine your body as a cup filled with precious oil, your life essence. An unsealed navel is like a crack in that cup, allowing your vitality to seep away. By intentionally covering it, you're not just preventing loss. You're also focusing and directing your energy, much like channeling a river within its banks. There's a fascinating link between the navel and what's known as the enteric nervous system, often called the second brain. This network, located in your abdomen, is crucial for digestion and plays a significant role in your intuition. By sealing the navel, you might experience enhanced emotional clarity and intuition, a realignment that lets your internal lights shine brighter. Some traditions even say the navel is a microcosm of the universe, an energy center connected by an ethereal cord to the cosmos. Covering it with intention can activate this subtle cord, like dialing an ancient phone number to the universe. Many who practice this report feelings of profound presence and clarity, suggestive of a deep inner shift. By focusing on the navel, this oft-forgotten but ever-present portal, you initiate a transformation that starts from within. When you consciously protect and engage with it, you awaken your inherent power and reclaim your energy. It's akin to discovering a hidden key and using it to unlock doors to deeper awareness. In practical terms, sealing your navel doesn't require elaborate rituals. Begin by acknowledging it as a sacred center. Each morning, cover your navel with a small piece of cloth or a meaningful symbol, such as a sun or a flower of life, while setting an intention to protect your energy. Let this act serve as your energetic armor as you navigate the world. Spend a few quiet moments daily, placing your hand over your navel. Visualize a golden, warm light emanating into your belly, soothing and reconnecting you to your core. This simple practice can ground you amid chaos, offering a moment's peace and rebalancing. Essential oils like frankincense or lavender can further enrich this ritual by resonating with your cellular memory, enhancing the navel's energetic responsiveness. As you start sealing your navel, observe the emotional shifts that follow. You might find yourself feeling more centered, resilient, and emotionally open, as if reawakening a dormant part of yourself. The practice blocks old, unhelpful patterns, instead embracing an empowered sense of self. While this may sound esoteric, the impacts are tangible. You hold on to your energy more effectively, giving and receiving with intention rather than out of habit or obligation. You could liken it to tuning an old instrument, aligning yourself with a harmonious frequency that resonates with the world around you. As this practice weaves itself into your routine, you might feel inclined to share with others. But share gently, through the calm strength and presence that naturally emanates from you. Let your transformation speak for itself, inviting others to find their own path to this knowledge. Our world often pulls us outward, entangling our senses in the clamor of screens and noise. Yet here you have the chance to turn inward, to explore and honor a part of you that's been there all along. The navel, more than just a scar, is an anchor to your original life force, waiting for you to recognize and nurture it. Embark on this inner journey. Focus on your navel with curiosity and openness. With time, watch as the landscape of your inner world shifts and aligns. This isn't about drastic changes, but rather small, meaningful gestures that ripple into broader transformations. Within the narrative of your life, the navel serves as a potent symbol of origin, a tangible reminder of the connection you hold with all things. Protecting and honoring it isn't just an act of self-care, but a declaration of your spiritual sovereignty. By doing so, you signal to the universe, I am here. I am whole. I am ready to embrace my true essence. If this message resonates, why not delve deeper? Engage with this practice, share your journey, and invite others to join in. Together we can revive these ancient insights, transforming them into vibrant, life-affirming practices for today. And remember, the most remarkable transformations often start from within. As you explore and protect this sacred center, may you discover the hidden magic that has always been a part of you. Stay curious, and as always, keep opening those inner doors. To truly appreciate the navel's significance, consider its role in the grand tapestry of life. Imagine it as the original point of connection, the first bridge between you and the universe. This small indentation on your body is a testament to the profound journey of life from the womb to the world. It is a reminder of the nurturing bond that sustained you before you took your first breath, a symbol of the life-giving force that flows through all living beings. In many ways, the navel is a microcosm of the universe itself, a tiny reflection of the vast, interconnected web of existence. Throughout history, the navel has been revered in various cultures as a sacred center of power and energy. In ancient Egypt, it was believed to be the seat of the soul, the place where the divine spark resided within the human body. The Egyptians understood that the navel was not just a physical feature, but a gateway to higher realms of consciousness. They saw it as a point of convergence, where the spiritual and physical worlds intersected. This understanding was not limited to Egypt. It was echoed in other ancient civilizations as well. In the East, the navel has long been associated with the concept of prana, the life force that animates all living things. In yoga, the practice of focusing on the navel is known as navel gazing, a meditative technique that helps practitioners connect with their inner selves and tap into their inherent energy. By directing attention to the navel, individuals can cultivate a sense of balance and harmony within themselves, aligning their physical, mental, and spiritual aspects. In traditional Chinese medicine, the navel is considered a vital energy center known as the Sea of Qi. It is believed to be the source of life energy, where the body's vital forces converge and circulate. By nurturing and protecting this center, individuals can enhance their overall well-being and vitality. The practice of Qigong, a form of energy cultivation, often involves exercises that focus on the navel, helping to strengthen the body's energy flow and promote healing. The navel's significance extends beyond individual well-being. It is also seen as a symbol of unity and interconnectedness. In many indigenous cultures, the navel is regarded as a point of connection to the earth and the cosmos. It is seen as a reminder of our place within the larger web of life, a reminder that we are all part of something greater than ourselves. By honoring the navel, we acknowledge our interconnectedness with all living beings and the natural world. In modern times, the navel's spiritual significance has often been overshadowed by more materialistic perspectives. We have become disconnected from the deeper meanings and wisdom that ancient cultures held dear. However, by rediscovering the navel's importance, we can reclaim a sense of balance and harmony in our lives. We can tap into the wellspring of energy and vitality that resides within us and reconnect with the profound wisdom of our ancestors. To begin this journey of rediscovery, start by acknowledging the navel as a sacred center. Take a moment each day to place your hand over your navel and breathe deeply. Visualize a warm golden light emanating from this center, filling your entire being with a sense of peace and vitality. Allow this light to flow through you, connecting you to the universe and grounding you in the present moment. As you engage in this practice, pay attention to the subtle shifts in your energy and awareness. Notice how you feel more centered and grounded, more in tune with your inner self. Observe how your intuition becomes sharper, your emotions more balanced, and your overall sense of well-being enhanced. This simple act of focusing on the navel can have profound effects on your physical, mental, and spiritual health. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine, making it a part of your self-care ritual. Use essential oils like frankincense or lavender to enhance the experience, allowing their soothing scents to resonate with your cellular memory and amplify the navel's energetic responsiveness. As you continue to nurture this sacred center, you will find yourself becoming more attuned to the rhythms of life, more aligned with your true essence. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, remember that the navel is not just a physical feature. It is a gateway to deeper awareness and transformation. By honoring and protecting this sacred center, you are reclaiming your spiritual sovereignty and embracing your inherent power. You are signaling to the universe that you are ready to embrace your true essence and live a life of purpose and vitality. Share this practice with others, inviting them to join you on this journey of self-discovery. Encourage them to explore the navel's significance and tap into their own wellspring of energy and vitality. Together, we can revive these ancient insights and transform them into vibrant, life-affirming practices for today. As you continue to explore and protect this sacred center, may you discover the hidden magic that has always been a part of you. Stay curious and, as always, Keep opening those inner doors. Let the navel be your guide, leading you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the universe. Embrace the journey, and may it lead you to a life of balance, harmony, and fulfillment.